Best of luck.
Thank you. And you.
How you feeling?
I'm all right.
Yeah? Good.
I'm gonna break down and cry.
You know what? You never know what's going to come out on that stage.
It's a very shiny stage.
Yeah, it's a shiny stage.
Good cleaners, right?
Here we go. Okay, stand by. In 3, 2, 1, take it away.
Hello.
All right.
What's your name?
Charmaine Douglas.
Charmaine, that's cool. Then where are you from?
Swindon.
And where do you work, Charmaine?
I work in Asda Walmart. I work in a supermarket, doing all the markdowns, making everything cheap for all the customers.
You're the guy that goes around going, oh, this yogurt's a bit on the turn, 50p rather than a quid.
Yeah, and people jump on it.
Listen, do you make that up on your own, or do you just... you got some guidelines?
Got to do it 3 times a day, 10% off each time.
3 times a day?
I don't like fish. It's all fish.
I think some of them might be different. Today I'm here with my mother.
A completely different world from Asda.
I've always dreamt about being a singer. Everyone has their thing. My thing is singing. People that know me know that I'm the biggest worrier. Get so nervous. I feel like I'm gonna wee myself. I'm a stay-at-home kind of guy. I don't mingle very well.
Jermaine, have you ever done anything like this before? Have you done auditions before?
Not like this, no.
Okay.
Okay, take it away.
The skies above, they're blue. My heart was wrapped in clover. The night I looked at you. Thank you.
Really?
You know what? You are a revelation. Jermaine, you've got the X factor. This is what we're looking for. I think a star is born.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right. Wow.
Charmaine, you have not just the X factor, not just raw talent, but the shock factor. When you step on that stage, you were like this timid little soul, and you couldn't actually express yourself. But do you know when you started expressing yourself? The minute you started singing. And it is freaking amazing.
Thank you very much.
I think that you're an amazing vocalist.
Thank you very much.
We need more singers like you. Real singers. Yeah, I just want to take you and just eat you up, honey. I want to eat you up.
Charmaine, mate, I've got to tell you, I have never seen a vocal performance like that before. That was off the scale. No, you completely nailed it today.
Thank you very much.
That is how to do an audition.
Jermaine, I want to be the very first to say yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Charmaine, it is a yes from me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Charmaine, enormous yes from me.
Thank you very much.
This is just the beginning for you. Yes, 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 yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Try again.
Go and celebrate.
God bless.
See you at boot camp.
Thank you.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. He's the one I want to mentor. I'm going to be quite honest.
He's world class. He would sell all over the world.
Absolutely.
And he works in a supermarket.
That was strange. I'm not used to getting feedback like that.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Hi there to everybody watching this on YouTube. If you just click this button down here, you can see more of this.